Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now. Shampoo and towel blot to about 80% dry because Nutri Color filters deposit without needing developer. Put on gloves, section hair into 4 quadrants, clip each. Once done, squeeze a pea to nickel-sized amount per section, more for dense hair, apply from mid-length to ends first, then lightly work toward roots. Make sure to comb through for even coverage. This is how the pigment settles consistently, so move briskly but precisely. Continue with controlled timing. Once applied, set a timer and check at 3 minutes for a subtle refresh. At 6 minutes, you get a stronger tone. You should pat and comb every minute to prevent pooling. If hair is porous or brassy, gently warm with a dryer for 60 to 120 seconds to open the cuticle slightly. This helps pigment adhere. Make sure to watch color development. The product deposits, so overprocessing won't lighten, but it can deepen the chosen tone. Finish by rinsing with cool water until it runs clear. Avoid shampooing for 24 hours to let pigment set. Then apply conditioner on lengths and comb gently. This seals the cuticle and smooths tone. Style as usual. Results typically last 6 to 8 washes. If you see uneven patches, reapply a small dollop only to those strands for 3 minutes and rinse. This spot fix is the quickest correction. If extreme brassiness persists, follow with a purple or blue toning filter next time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.